Hi, my name is Jim Brocker. My professional work experience is in the field of banking and finance. I've worked in that area for about 20 years now. I'm studying to become an earth science teacher. I think the study of geology and meteorology and astronomy is fascinating and very relevant to today's world for a lot of reasons. But my plea today is for the ocean. I think the ocean has been an underrepresented area in the educational curricula for a long time. I think it's been marginalized and overlooked. I think it's beginning to change, but it's long overdue. It's a very important part of our world. And something I've learned recently, I'll just pass on, I think makes the point. If you took NASA's budget for just 1 year, the Space Agency's budget, that would fund NOAA's budget, NOAA being the National Oceanographic and Atmospheric Administration. It would fund NOAA's budget for 1,600 years. Again, I think that really says something. And also, 50% of the United States legal territory is underwater. And much of that is unmapped and uncharted. And we have actually better maps of Mars than we do of much of this territory. That's part of our ownership. So I think that those makes the point about our priorities. And something I'll just mention in passing quickly is I learned something started by Robert Ballard, the famous Dr. Robert Ballard, the oceanographer and explorer who found the deep sea vents in the Titanic and involved in many areas of exploration. He started something called the Jason Project. It's an online, interactive, very dynamic way of using technology as a teaching tool for oceanography, but related subjects also. It's really interesting. You really can't get into it at the moment, but it's worth checking out. I think it's where science may be headed in terms of its teaching and learning and the use of technology and the internet. And it's directed towards the middle school kids because he knows you have to capture the minds and imaginations of our middle school kids if you're going to have the world's best scientists and engineers. I mean, and that's what he's after, and he's targeting that group. And if you'll see what I mean when you sign on to the Jason Mission Center, it's very good. And the other thing is Google Earth and Google Ocean. I think those are also very good tools to teach about the ocean. Google Ocean being the latest add-on to Google Earth. Again, it's a great tool to teach and to learn. So I think the technology is there, and the oceans are there, and I think we should pay attention to them. And that's my plea. Thank you.